Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, August 3rd. We continue reading from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled, Each is a Living Flute. Suffering makes an instrument of each of us, so that standing naked, holes and all, the unseen vitalities can be heard through our simplified lives. Sometimes we cannot get what we want. While this can be disappointing and painful, it is only devastating if we stop there. The world thrives on endless possibilities. It is what makes nature a reservoir of health. Yet, if the heart is cramped or the mind locks on its pain, we can narrow wonder to a threat. In contradiction to the endless number of eggs that spawn a fish, and the endless number of cells that blossom to heal a wound, we can hold out the one thing we want as the only food. From here, crisis and desperation are a short step. It becomes a sorry occupation, beating oneself up for the one seed that didn't take. It is an insidious way. The more we refuse mystery, the more we feel responsible for all that befalls us. Indeed, the more we distract ourselves with analyzing strategies that failed, the more we avoid the true feelings of loss that no one can escape en route to a full and vital life. Even if we can accept this, none of us is exempt from the turmoil and pain that arises when what we want is love. For once we pour ourselves into loving another person, it seems as if they take who we are with them when they go. In truth, they do take a deep part of us, but what feeds the heart from within is endless, and everything that is living heals. Nowhere is this more evident than in the beauty of trees. Their endless turns of bark and nubs of trunk make each look like a sage. Yet amazingly, the skin of an old tree is no more than a living map of its scars. Can it be that the cuts turn scars and the scars turn into beautiful quiet notches in which things that fly can rest? In every space opened when we want, when what, in every space opened when what we want gets away, a deeper place is cleared in which the mysteries can sing. If we can only survive the pain of being emptied, we might yet know the joy of being sung through. Strangely and beautifully, each soul is a living flute being carved by life on earth to sound deeper and deeper song. This is a beautiful essay, isn't it? So now, as always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft and completely natural, remind yourself that your breath does not need fixing. It is good enough right now. In the same way, this moment doesn't need fixing. It's good enough. And you don't need fixing right now. You are enough. See if this reminder allows you to touch a sense of spaciousness in your being, a sense of freedom in which all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now sit quietly for the next few moments and reflect on a relationship in which you feel you have lost a part of yourself. It might be a romantic relationship, a friendship, or a family tie. Contemplate on how this happened, not in much detail, but just what evoked the sense of loss. Was it rejection or your submission? Or maybe you lost part of yourself by giving away your ability to choose what your soul needed. Or did your loved one move away or die? Consider that beneath all right and wrong, and along the hurt, underneath the loss, there is something that has been opened and exposed because of this tearing away. What is it for you? And even if you cannot name it, feel this new presence within you. Take it with you into your day, getting to know the deeper song waiting to be played through you. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to follow Mark Nepo's invitation and explore this new presence that has opened up in you because of a loss. Get to know this deeper song waiting to be played through you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.